folks, it's getting cold out here. My rooster wants to rant for a minute. I want to talk to you. Keep in mind, this doesn't apply to you young men who are women, ladies, girls, who want to start out in this type of work, and you got your daddy's toolbox and you want to go service up a push mower or learn to work on a weed eater. That doesn't apply. If somebody wants to give you a shot at it and you got an opportunity to learn, go for it. Any means necessary. This applies to those folks who've been doing this for a minute. I've been doing this for a minute. I have supplies on hand. Oil, fuel line, fuel filters, air filters, blaze belt, blah, 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 blah. Got it. If I ain't got it, I can get it quick and reasonably and be able to sell it reasonably. From time to time, you're going to have a customer come to you. First of all, be grateful he came to you. He thought enough of you and your abilities to bring you his equipment. But then he hands you a sack. And in that sack is motor oil, spark plugs, fuel filter, air filter, a blade, a belt. Wow, he got it all. Why is he coming to me? He trusts me to fix it, service it, whatever the case may be. But yet, he didn't feel confident in my pricing to buy the parts from me. I try and stay reasonable on all those goods. What do I tell him? Yes, sir. Be happy to service it up. Matter of fact, I'll be happy to service it while you wait, because I'm getting hungry. Let's knock this out. And when we get done, I want you to pile up in the truck with me. We're going to go over here to the Piggly Wiggly. And we're going to get us a dozen eggs, a loaf of bread, a pound of bacon, a pound of coffee. Heck, we might even splurge, get us some grits too. The customer looks at me and says, Rooster, that's kind of odd. What are we going to do? What are we going to do with it? I said, well, we're going to go over here to the Waffle House and get them to cook